This is a bad motorcycle. It runs on blood. Cheap creep.
All right, I think I got her all set. I got 3 buttons set up here. Top one, boom, that's headlights. Lights up red. Middle one, that pops on the radio because this thing has a clock that draws power. So I
FM mode.
I made a button to turn it off. And then yellow, or that was blue. And this one's yellow. Hey, we got ground lights, baby. Cruise the strip. Got some LED ground lights. Pretty fun stuff. And check out the headlights here. Pop those back on. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it or not, but they are super bright. Oh yeah. And they're halo lights. So pretty cool. All right. Well, I think this project I can pretty much button up. It's not the prettiest, but it works good and starts good. Everything's all groovy. Well, one little additive I put on the side here. I got an accessible jack to the battery. I can just pop in when I'm not using it. And that's so I can trickle charge it when it's not in use. Those are the speakers right there for my little stereo. One of the reasons why I put a light switch instead of using the wired, because the native system uses AC power. LEDs use DC power. So this runs right to the battery and actually consumes far less power than the original headlights, which were nowhere near as bright. So these are way brighter, use way less power, and now I got a cool little red switch.